Found a TPC file from an old tablet PC and unsure how to read it? This is an Ink Note file created by Microsoft Tablet PC software for handwritten notes. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to access these Ink files. Spoiler alert, this isn't magic. It's the result of knowing which single sophisticated TPC file inspection tool to use because of its expansive compatibility. A TPC file stores handwritten notes, drawings, and annotations created on a Windows tablet PC or a device with a touchscreen. Users encounter this format when saving content from applications like Windows Journal or the Windows Ink Workspace, preserving their digital ink strokes exactly as they were drawn. The format is a binary container that stores ink stroke data as a series of vector points, along with properties like color, pressure, and thickness. This vector-based design was chosen by Microsoft to allow for scalable, high-fidelity rendering of handwriting and drawings, independent of screen resolution. The designated application for the TPC file is Windows Journal from Microsoft. Full control over the file's proprietary features requires a dedicated application. Windows has basic viewing capability, but comprehensive editing requires the right document editor. Let's troubleshoot the file association error. Right-click your TPC file and select Open With. Test Windows Journal, if installed. If unavailable, choose a different app. That is often the key to unlocking the file. If the TPC file still will not open, there is no need to stress. Dealing with a truly persistent TPC file, let's execute these quick diagnostic tests on the most likely points of failure. First, opening in Windows Journal. Install Windows Journal, which is included with older Windows editions, and double-click the TPC file to open the Ink Note. The application displays the handwritten content with full stroke fidelity and supports basic editing, pen ink color changes, and page navigation. Next, converting to standard format. Use Windows Journal file, then export. As to save the Ink Note as a TIFF, MHT, or PDF file viewable in standard image and document viewers. The exported file preserves the visual appearance of the handwritten content, though stroke data is converted to raster or vector form. Finally, migrating to OneNote. Open the TPC file in Windows Journal and use File then Send. To then OneNote to import the ink content into Microsoft OneNote. The migration preserves ink strokes as editable annotations within OneNote, enabling continued use on modern Windows tablets and other devices. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.